Again at Gaia's workshop. Today we are going to show you several elk drums, all out of the same hide, but all very different in their own right. So start out with this lovely little beady. It's a 12-inch Harmonic Shamanic, which is the 5 handles. It's on a cedar rim, and this is what it sounds like. Again, that's the 12-inch Harmonic Shamanic in elk on cedar. My next beautiful drum here, this is also a Harmonic Shamanic, but it's on maple, and this is my 15-inch. Again, all of these drums are from the exact same elk hide. Here we go. "15-inch Harmonic Shamanic, maple hoop, elk." We're going to go a little bit bigger here. So this is an 18-inch. I'm 5'3". This is what it looks like. This one is a spirit drum, so it has the 4 handles. It's a full wrap, and I'll show you a scalloped wrap in a minute. The wrap itself does not change the sound of the drum. Okay, here we go. 18-inch. Notice how the bigger we get, the deeper the sound. Again, spirit drum, 18 inches. This one was also on a cedar hoop. Ready for a 20-inch? This one's also on a cedar hoop. Again, we have the Harmonic Shamanic. The size really comes from your gut, which is where the elk comes from. Harmonic Shamanic, 20-inch, cedar hoop. Now for the big boy. The big boy is on a maple hoop. This is a 22-inch drum. This is our 7 sisters. And this is what the scalloped wrap looks like. So it's just decorative. It just shows a little bit of the hoop. Ready? Again, just for size, this is not one that I'm going to want to stand at a drum circle for hours with, but it sounds so good. Again, all of these were elk, the exact same hide, all sound different, and all are beautiful and wonderful in their own ways. Check them out.